time isn't what you think. It bends, it breaks. And today, we'll travel through it. Time travel, the idea of stepping forward or backward in time, has fascinated humanity for centuries. But what if it's not just science fiction? What if it's already happening, quietly, every single day? Albert Einstein's theory of relativity revealed a shocking truth: time isn't fixed. It bends and stretches depending on speed and gravity. The faster you move, or the deeper you are in a gravitational field, the more time itself slows for you. Every astronaut aboard the International Space Station is technically a time traveler. Moving at 28,000 kilometers per hour in low Earth orbit, their clocks tick ever so slightly slower than ours. When they return, they're a tiny fraction of a second younger than if they'd stayed home. In reality, time travel already happens. Astronauts orbiting Earth experience tiny shifts in time compared to everyone on the ground. Proof that time can flow differently depending on how fast, or how far, you travel. Even on Earth, when someone flies from Washington, D.C. to Wellington, New Zealand, 16 hours ahead, they're technically leaping into the future. Now imagine that same trip, not in 16 hours, but in just 2.5 aboard NASA's hypersonic X-43. By reaching the other side of the planet nearly a day ahead, they're experiencing a fraction of time travel, a glimpse of what it means to bend time, not just distance. This is called the twin paradox. If one twin travels at near light speed and then returns, they will have aged less than the one who stayed on Earth. It's not science fiction, it's a direct consequence of relativity. From DeLoreans to wormholes, science fiction has dreamed of ways to leap through time at will. While these machines remain fantasy, physics doesn't rule them out entirely, but building them is a challenge far beyond what we can yet achieve. Mankind tends to believe in what has happened, or what feels within reach in the near future. But events that seem impossible, like traveling a decade into the past, or leaping far into the future, remain, for now, only hypothetical. Time machines live in our stories, our imagination, waiting for the day when theory might become reality. Someday, advanced propulsion or breakthroughs in quantum physics may open the door to true time travel, not just fractions of seconds, but journeys across centuries. Until then, every journey we take, every flight, every orbit, is a tiny reminder that time is not as rigid as it seems. Time itself is an ocean, and we've only just dipped our toes in.